In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance reminder on a Toyota vehicle that has a push button start. You want to note there is two positions. Now my foot is off of the brake, so it's off. There is key position 1, and with my foot off of the brake, there is key position 2. Now if my foot was on the brake, it would have started. So that's what you want to realize is you want to be in key position 2, everything all lit up. So with everything all lit up, the engine can be running or not running, it doesn't matter. You want to see the mileage, not the trip odometer. There it's set to 0, but you don't need the trip odometer. You want to see the odometer. Alright, so we'll press and hold that button and we'll turn the car off. Now with our foot off of the brake, we will press it once. Pressed it with my thumb off camera. Now I'm going to press it again. Everything's going to light up, and you see the dotted lines counting down. 3, 2, 1, boom, all zeros. Ta-da! Your maintenance light is now off. Whether it was over here just flashing or whether it was constant on, that's how you clear it. So hopefully I explained that well. Thank you for watching.